Hey guys, Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to be making a video where we show some cleanup, okay? I'm talking about yard debris cleanup. Let's bring the camera right over here right quick. You see we got a big old wood pile here that's about rotted down. We're bringing it right over here to a centrally located area to where we can later burn some of it outside for bonfires or haul it off. But we actually cleared out a big corner right over here that was overgrown yesterday, and we're working this way in this video today. I'm gonna walk over here and Nathaniel can just kind of film me. We're gonna try to take out all of this area all the way to the corner of our property. Bring the camera right here. We've actually worked on this area right here too that was overgrown, but we want to try to find that corner today. There's a bicycle over there in the corner that we used to block a hole one time to keep our dog out from getting out of the yard, and we want to try to cut all this stuff down today, and you guys can watch us as we do it. We're going to be using a chainsaw, a pole saw, a brush cutter, and a weed eater, and a stump grinder. I don't know if we'll actually stump grind today in this video, but all these stumps that we run into, we're going to end up grinding them as well, probably in some other videos. So guys, stay tuned. We'll show some little snippets of using each tool. We'll also do some time lapse of coverage as well, and we'll put this thing all together at the end, and you guys can watch this area come alive. We want to make it to where we can mow in here. We're going to leave this big old tree, of course. There's two other large trees back in there we're going to leave. There's a cedar that we're going to eventually take down, but probably not today. So Daniel, bring the camera down here. Let them see what a mess all this is right now, and pan it over that way too so they can see what a mess we got. And we're going to work on it today, guys. So enjoy the video. Sit back, get you some popcorn, and enjoy. Hey, here's what we've done so far. We've been out here about an hour or so, and we've got this area definitely looking a lot better here. And here's our pile. We've moved everything out to this pile right here that we're just gonna throw a tarp over until we figure out if we're gonna burn it or just haul it off. Daniel's going to get the blower. I'm gonna have him just blow this area. Anything that will blow up, that we can blow up into a pile, we might just go ahead and throw it up in some bags right now. Haul that off as well. So it's moving along pretty good. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, we might have to stop on this little project for today a little bit. I think we have awoken a yellow jacket's nest over here somewhere. I don't know if you can see them buzzing or not. They are buzzing right over here. I want to try to find out. We'll have to watch and see where they're going in at, and then maybe I can soak their hole tonight after they go night-night. Anyway, we've got them buzzed up right now, so we're going to back off from this little project for a little bit before one of us gets stung. Stay tuned. Over there, guys, is where the yellow jackets are. We got their nest pinpointed. We'll deal with that later tonight when the sun goes down. But we've decided to move over to this area, and we've already moved a couple logs, and we rolled a couple right up there on our pile, as you can see. And we're gonna start clearing out right in here and moving toward that big tree right there. So I'm gonna set up the tripod and we're gonna keep time lapse. And I think that's actually working out better than anything. So we'll keep on doing it, guys. So stay tuned. Okay, hey, we've got this little area here cleared out pretty good. We're about up to that big old oak tree right there. Daniel is going to take the Echo pole saw here. He's going to reach in here and start cutting down some of these little scrubby trees here. We're going to cut them down and jerk them out of there and put them on our pile to be chipped. So I'm going to film a little bit of this action right here with Nathaniel. He loves using the pole saw. Go ahead, buddy, whenever you're ready. Alrighty, hold on a minute. I'll pull them out of there for you if I can. Alright. I'm filming you doing this. You love doing this, right? Alright.
Alright, go get
it. Go get it, huh?
Yeah.
What am I, your hunting dog? go. Go ahead, buddy. All right, good job. See if I can get that one too. There we go, we got it. Here, I'll get it for you, bud. All right, go ahead, cut a few more of them. All righty. Move the saw out of the way, son.
All right.
Pull it back. Oh, it's getting caught up, ain't it?
Oh, I got it called off.
That's all right, we got it. All right, guys. We might put this back on time lapse and watch Nathaniel cut some more of these out right quick. Good job. Go on, Daniel. Pull out the blade, go on the other side. It's trying to fall that way. Can you get it? Hang on, I'll get it. You got it?
All right.
I'll pull it out of the way. Hang on. Stand back a minute, Nathaniel. I don't want this to hit you in the face. All right. All righty. See if you can reach up there and cut them other two.
All right.
And then we'll go take a break. One more. Is that fun?
They're gone.
They're gone. Let's take a break. Okay guys, we're going to wrap it up for today. We're going to show you everything that we've done. We didn't quite get done with everything that we wanted to get done today, but I think one more day's work will definitely get us to our goal. The yellow jacket nest kind of slowed us down over here today, but that wasn't the reason. It was just a little bit more than we could handle today. But let's walk around and take a look. As you see, we got this big pile of wood here. We're going to haul this off to the dump. Or if we're going to cover it up, and if we get a little bit of rain around here, I'm kind of afraid to burn right now because it's been so dry. But if we get a little bit of rain and I can keep this dry, after that I may do a little bit of bonfire and we'll get rid of it, some of it that way. If not, we'll just haul it off and just kind of pan around, let them see what all we've taken down today, And we're going to wrap this video up. Like I said, Daniel got to do some pole sawing today, which he loves that tool. He loves using that one. And so there you go, guys. That's where we're at with our backyard cleanup, trying to get it under control this winter before spring and everything starts growing like crazy again. So thank you for stopping by and checking out the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.